Palouse Falls, Washington. Almost destroyed in 1984 by the proposed construction of a dam, the natural beauty of the falls ended up being preserved in the end. 10. Sequoia National Park, California. Known for its huge trees, the General Sherman tree is one of the largest in the world and is believed to be 2,500 years old. 9. Thor's Well, Oregon. Thor seems to be making a lot of appearances on this list. Driven by the ocean tides, the best time to see this saltwater fountain in action is just before or after high tide. 8. Niagara Falls, New York. Actually, 3 separate falls combined into one, Niagara Falls has the highest flow rate of any waterfall in the world. 7. Smoky Mountains, North Carolina. A part of the Appalachian Mountains, the Smoky Mountains are the most visited national park in the United States. 6. Hamilton Pool, Texas. Found on the outskirts of Austin, Texas, this pool is a popular tourist spot in the summer. 5. Zion National Park, Utah. Highlighted by the half-mile deep Zion Canyon, this park is a popular destination for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. 4. Maroon Bells, Colorado. Twin peaks found in the Colorado Rockies, these mountains are best admired from a distance, as they are sometimes known as the Deadly Bells, due to the danger of climbing them. 3. Antelope Canyon, Arizona. An incredibly picturesque slot canyon, it consists of 2 sections named the Crack and the Corkscrew. 2. Waipio Valley, Hawaii. Meaning curved water in the local language, the only way into this valley is via one of the steepest roads in the US, and it's only open to 4-wheel drive vehicles. 1. Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. Reminiscent of the Alps, Grand Teton National Park is a popular spot for hiking and mountaineering. Enjoying our lists? Be sure to click that subscribe button in the top right corner so you don't miss out on new ones every Monday through Friday. Share them with your friends and help us consistently conciliate curiosity. And if you want even more lists, check out these 2 videos here or just head to our website at list25.com.